Hi guys, sorry I can't be there. I'm trying out using a webcam and a screencast at the same time and see how this goes. Sorry I can't be here today. I'm with the 10th graders taking the PSAT. But I think we can get through this together. So if you open up the Weebly, there's a few things I'd like us to do today. First off, the bell work. I want you to finish the activity from yesterday. That would be this right here. So please do your best to fill this out. And you can share it as a class for the first few minutes with the teacher's help. Okay. Then what I want you to run next to is I want you to actually finish the PowerPoint notes. Even though the PowerPoint notes are really just kind of guesses to what is going on here. So we kind of left off on, I believe, slide 3 or 4. Okay. So just do your best to fill out the PowerPoint notes. The teacher will click through these and you just answer the questions that you have available to you. Alright, so you're going to figure out, try to guess on why the RLC is shrinking. Okay? And then you'll find out the answer to that when you get to, you go back to your notes. If you actually scroll down or you flip your page, you'll get to the shrinking of the RLC article, and it describes in detail what's actually causing it. Okay, so there's actually two causes to why the C is drying up. And then there's also many effects that happen after that. So after reading the article, you should fill all of these out. Okay. Then you have the second sheet here. It's identifying global problems relating to human-environment interaction. So to be able to fill this out, so you have these years 2004 all the way to 2012. And what you'll need to do is go to my website and click on this Global Problems Cartoons. And this will open up this document. So these are different, posters or initiatives by the World Environment Day. They have different, themes for each year. All right, so this first one is Green Cities Plan for the Planet. So I want you to read through each of these. There's a bunch, right? And if your teacher wants to kind of divide these up a little bit, that's fine with me as well. But they all have a different theme or idea. Now, it's going to be up to you, though, to fill this out here. So what problem was the focus this year? So these are all global problems, all right? And then you have to tell me why it was a global problem. So let's say the first one was hunger or wasted food. Then you tell me why that's one reason that's a global problem. Remember, to be a global problem, it has to affect many people, or take many nations to solve it, or it's interconnected with other problems. But really the first two are key. So does it take many nations to solve it, or are many people affected, not just in one nation, but on a global scale? All right. When you get done with that, then if you scroll down, you'll start seeing these cartoons, okay? Actually, for you, it'll look like this here. So once you get through all these articles, you'll scroll down and you'll get to these cartoons. We've never done this before, but I wanted to analyze these cartoons and try to think what the message is behind these cartoons. There's 4 of them, okay? So when you read those, I want you to fill out what's the point of the cartoonist trying to make, okay? So see if you can figure out what these cartoons are really about and what kind of global problem. Again, the focus is human-environmental interaction. So what are people doing to modify, adapt their environment, or how are they using their environment? Okay. So when you're done with both of those things, so you'll do the global problems and also the cartoons. If there's any time left today, then I want you to work on the Europe map. Okay, you can. I don't know if anyone needs to still kind of fill it out, but if you just want to study that, you can get small groups with that if the teacher thinks that's the best way to do it for today. And if that is not the case, then you could also go over here to the right side, and they have Europe quizzes on here. This isn't perfect though, because of the quiz is actually quizzing on countries that I did not include. But you can also go to this Europe map video as well and maybe watch this as a class. I think this video is actually very helpful, so put in your earbuds and listen to this a couple times. I think that's going to help you out quite a bit. Okay? So tomorrow I want you to have that all done, so tomorrow we can hit the ground running with lesson 2. Alright? Have a good day, guys.